Friends, in previous classes we have discussed about lot of formulas, many formulas on arithmetic progression. So very important. I will write here. The standard form of AP is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. This is the standard form of AP. Next, while you are finding the terms, so compulsory you must use this standard formula. So second formula, that is last term, is also called nth term, is also called general term of a arithmetic progression, is given by a plus n minus 1 into d. So a is called first term, d is called common difference, and n is called number of terms. Very important, n belongs to capital N. This is very important. Thus now today's question, today's excess questions, few questions completely depend upon these two. Now we shall see one by one. So I will start second exercise on this lesson. 9.2, question number 1. Find the AP. Find the AP means you have to write minimum 3 terms. A plus D and A plus 2D. Okay, now find the AP. AP means minimum you have to write 3 terms. As let the required terms, let the required terms be minimum 3, right? A plus D and A plus 2D and so on, but you write minimum 3 terms. So what is the given here? Nth term they given as nth term, that is An is equal to 7 minus 3n. So this is the given nth term. An is equal to 7 minus 3n. Given that. Yes. I told you without A, without D, we cannot find any terms. First, we know about A, I mean first term and the common difference. If you know A and D, you can write any terms. Okay, as find the value of A and D first. A means first term. As put n is equal to 1 in a given nth term. So A1 is equal to 7 minus 3 into 1. So 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. So replace n is equal to 1 in the given relation, that is an is equal to our given nth term. An is equal to 7 minus 3n. So n is equal to 1, 7 minus 3 into 1, that is 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. Put second term, n is equal to 2. So A2 is equal to 7 minus 3 into 2. So that is 7 minus 6. Second term 1. If you know first and second term, you can find the common difference easily. Therefore, D is equal to difference between any two consecutive terms, that is A2 minus A1. So 1 minus 4 is equal to minus 3. Therefore, the value of D is equal to minus 3. Okay, now the question is, find the 20th term. As replace A and D and n value again in the same relation. Otherwise, replace n is equal to 20. So best the method is thus replace A and D value and n value in the nth term formula. So A is equal to 4, D is equal to minus 3. You have to calculate 20th term, as we should find A20. As the relation is An is equal to nth term, A plus n minus 1 into D. So An means A20, 4 plus n, 20 minus 1, D value minus 3. So A20 is equal to 4, 20 minus 1, 19, 19 into minus 3, minus 57. So 4 minus 57 minus 53. Yes, this is the required term. Therefore, 20th term A20 is equal to minus 53. Yes, this is the required term. Okay, is it clear? So this is very important. Yes, let's see next question. And one more, find the AP how to write. Yes, the required AP is given by the required as AP is given by as A value, what is the value of A? 1. Next A plus D 4 plus of minus 3, A plus 2D 4 plus of 2 into minus 3. As 4 comma next 4 minus 3, next comma 4 minus 6 as 4 minus 3 1, 4 minus 6 minus 2. So this is the required AP. First three terms are 4 minus 1 and minus 2. 20th term is minus 20, sorry, minus 53 is the 20th term. Okay, let's see next question. Second question. Yes, find the indicated term in each of the following APs. Question number 2. First one. Yes. Given sequence 1, 6, 11, 16. You have to calculate A20. Indicator term 20. As find the value of A and D first. So D, what is the value of A? A is equal to 1. No problem. Next, D is equal to A2 minus A1. 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. The value of N is equal to 20. 20th term you have to calculate. Therefore, N value 20. Next, the question is A20. What is the formula? AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So A20 is equal to A value 1 plus 20 minus 1 into D value 5. A20 is equal to 1. 20 minus 1, 19. 19 into 5, 95. So therefore, A20 is equal to 96. So this is the required term. A20 is equal to 96. Okay na? Next, second one. Same question. Second question. S minus 4. Second question. Minus 4, minus 7, minus 10, minus 13. We should calculate first AN. Next, A25. Yes, the value of A is equal to minus 4. D value is equal to minus 7 minus of minus 4. So minus 7 plus 4. The value of D is equal to minus 3. Next, what is the formula? AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So first find the value of AN. A value minus 4 plus N, keep as it is. D value minus 3. So AN is equal to minus 4 multiplied by minus 3. Minus 3 into N minus 3N plus 3 into 1 3. Therefore, AN is equal to S minus 4. Minus 4 plus 3 minus 1 minus 3N. So this is the value of AN. Minus 1 and minus 1 minus 3N. Now 25. Put N is equal to 25. Therefore, A25 is equal to minus 1 minus 3 into 25. Therefore, A25 is equal to minus 1 minus 75. 25 3 is. Therefore, the value of A25 is equal to minus 76. Yes, this is a procedure to find any terms of arithmetic progression. The very important thing is nth term or last term. This is very important. Okay, let's see third question. Main question number 3. Find the nth term and the 12th term of the list of numbers as 5, 2, minus 1, minus 4. Yes, we have to calculate nth term and 12th term. Again, as usual, what is the value of A? A value 5. What is the value of D? D is equal to 2 minus 5, that is equal to minus 3. Find the value of AN first. Formula AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. As AN is equal to A 5 plus N minus 1, D value minus 3. Therefore, AN is equal to 5 plus into minus minus 3N minus into minus plus 3. Therefore, AN is equal to 8 minus 3N. Yes, this is nth term. Next, you have to calculate 12th term. Let's put N is equal to 12. So, A12 is equal to 8 minus 3 into 12. Therefore, A12 is equal to 8 minus 3 into 12, 36. Therefore, A12 is equal to minus 28. Yes, this is the required term, that is 12th term. Okay, na? Remaining questions I shall continue in the next class. Thank you.